your character on your Roblox game. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I will tell you how to do this. Just follow this video till the end. So first you need to go and open your Roblox. After this, as everyone knows Roblox, it will open directly on your home page. So what's next? You should do right now, you have to come to this, click on it, and then click on customize, and here you will change, for example, your height, body, clothing. You will add accessoire, animation, and you can buy like characters and everything, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.